Good morning, children. Today we are going to see curve tool and text tool. Okay, so here this is our paint application. Okay, on this ribbon in the home tab, this is home tab, and on this ribbon here in the shapes, okay, in this shapes section, we have the various shapes. So this the second, just after this straight line, okay, this the line that you see which is bent, okay, which bends and which is not straight, this is curve tool. So when you just bring mouse over it, it will show you the name of that tool, okay, the name of that shape, that is curve. So this is our curve tool. So now let's see how we can use curve tool. Okay, click on that, okay, just left click on that. Here in your drawing area, first we have to make a line, straight line we have to make, okay, or maybe a line we can make, okay, just make a line. Now we have 2 clicks to give it a bend, okay, to make it a curve. So first we will click here, this side or this side, any side, whatever whatever you are trying to make, whatever curve you are trying to give, accordingly you can choose the side. So I will choose this side, okay. Here I will first left click, I will press the left button of the mouse and I can simply drag and give it some shape, some curve, okay. So I have released the left button, okay. Now one more click I have to do. So here again click and make it and give it a curve. So this way. Now it is done. So first you have to make a straight line and then 2 clicks you have to give it a curve, to make a curve. So this is how we can use curve tool. So curve tool can be used to make, like you can use in making balloons, in making flowers. You can first make petals of the flowers and then you can, after you have drawn 4 or 5 petals, it becomes a flower. So this way we can just continue this. So I have one more straight line I am drawing here. Then after drawing the line I have to use 2 left mouse clicks, okay. So here this one click and this one more click. So this is one shape. This can be used as a petal for drawing flowers, okay. So if you want to draw balloons, first we can use oval tool, simply just draw a balloon, and then for drawing its thread we can use curve tool, just draw the straight line, and then you can use this curve tool, see. So we can draw balloons, okay, using curve tool, using oval tool, and then we can draw flowers, okay. So let us try a few more. Draw a straight line, then this done, then one more, okay. So this is one petal, then one more. So this way you can, likewise you can draw many petals, you can draw to make a flower, okay. So see, okay. So I hope you have followed how we can use curve tool, okay. So you can use this way. So I have drawn 3 petals for drawing a flower, I have drawn a balloon, okay. So this way, after you are done with drawing something, you can just choose color also for lines, okay. You can choose the size of the thickness of the line, you can choose the color for drawing the curves, okay, for drawing some shapes. And then you can also choose fill color tool for filling the colors in the shapes that you have drawn. So this way you can use color tool also. Okay, so this way we have seen curve tool. Now children, we will see how we can use text tool. This A on this ribbon in home tab, this A in the tools section, this A that you see is the text tool. Okay, so when you bring mouse over it, it will show you the name of the tool, that is text, and it shows a small description about it, which is insert text into the picture. So using this text tool we can insert some text into the picture, which means we can write something into the picture. We can write inside the shape or we can write outside the shape, anywhere we feel, anywhere we want to write in the drawing area, we can write using this text tool. So just click on that, and where you want to insert the text you can simply click. So I want to insert the text here. Okay, so simply click. As soon as you click in the drawing area, you will see one dotted box here. One dotted box here, it has small squares, see, and using those squares you can resize this text box. When you bring mouse over those small squares of that dotted box, you can simply click and drag and you can make it bigger or smaller. So you can simply resize it. Okay, and you get a new tab here. In text tools you get a new tab, text. In this tab, what we can do using this tab, we can choose the font. Okay, we can choose the font size, that is the different types of handwriting we can use. We can use the size of the font, how big we want the text to be. We can choose the color of the text. Okay, so let us take some size, that is 28. Okay, font also we can take different, let's say this we will take, and we will take some red color. Okay, now we will write inside this box, that is text 2. So children, you must have seen this, how I have written this. Okay, how I have typed some text in the drawing area. So when you are confirmed, when you are done with typing the text, you can simply click outside the box. You can simply click anywhere in the drawing area so that the text that you have typed gets saved in the drawing. So I am clicking here. So see, this way. This way we can use text tool. So anywhere we can type here. Okay, then we can choose different color. Okay, curve tool and text tool. So anywhere we can write. If it is going to the next line, you can simply resize it to get it on the single line. So this way. Okay, so children, today we have seen curve tool and text tool. So we are done with all types of tools, okay, in MS Paint. So children, please practice these tools, curve tool and text tool, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.